I feel like shit. Y'all, I sound worse than I feel because now it's just I lost my voice and I have a cough here and there. Let me tell you what happened, right? Now, me and my wife, we went to a new gas station. Forgot what it's called. They just newly built. And we got their chicken. And next thing you know, as soon as we ate the chicken, our throats started feeling funny. Started feeling kind of sorish, like. So I'm guessing that's where it came from. More than likely, I really feel it did. But I feel better. I got a lot of rest. Don't y'all say nothing about my hair. What you say? You said something about my hair. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something right now. I may not have a good voice right now, but I will tell. I'm just playing, y'all. Ain't none of that going on. Listen. We're gonna change the oil today. Actually, there's a lot of things I need to do. I need to change the oil. I need to change my bearing. I need to change some type of hose. I think it's some type of air hose. I need to do that as well. I got everything I need. Everything came from Amazon. My oil came from AutoZone because Amazon, something happened with my oil I ordered, a motor oil. I think maybe it busted or something. Basically, they're saying it will. They can't send it because something happened to the package. So I didn't want to wait any longer. I know I could have got it cheaper from Amazon, but I went ahead and went to AutoZone because my gum. I was almost swallowed my gum, y'all. I went to AutoZone and I still got a discount with them, even though I could have got it cheaper from Amazon. But I still went to AutoZone because of what happened. So we're gonna change, guys. Come on now, put your gloves on. I know I'm like that too. I don't like to get my hands dirty like that now. I'll get them dirty, but I'm gonna have on some daggone gloves. So I don't know how far we're gonna get today, but I definitely want to change my oil because I'm way overdue. I may do the bearing today or tomorrow. I don't know. Let's play it by ear. All I do know, we changed the oil today. So come on, get up, let's go. Huh? Yeah. Yo, my wife done stretched out my ball again. It don't even fit on my head right. She know her head bigger than mine. It keeps sliding off, y'all. We're gonna make it work though. We're gonna make it work though. So wow, while the oil is still draining, I got to get to my filter, my brand new filter. I got two packages, so I'm not really sure which one it came in. But let's find out. Okay, so this box, sorry guys, this box has the filter and the bearing. I think I'm going to do the bearing tomorrow because I can start pretty early and I can make sure I get it done before it get dark. See, I got started a little late today. Not too late, but it gets dark pretty fast. Now it does. So I'm going to do the oil, and I may do the air hose. I don't know what it's called. I just know what was leaking. How the air leak. Okay, this is the old filter right here. Take that out. Look how dirty that was. And we got the gasket right here. Here's the brand new gasket we're going to put around. Make sure it's on the right groove. And we got our brand new filter, which got it in there. It acted kind of funny at first. Like it didn't want to go in there. So I got a little oil and I put it on the gasket to make sure it seals pretty good when I put it in. Clean up that oil, kind of dribbled out when I was taking out the filter so it won't be smoking when I start it on up. So now we're going back under. Guys, I bought full synthetic. I was using synthetic blend, but I'm like this. I went ahead and paid the money for the full synthetic because I can wait longer for my oil change, to change my oil. And overall, it's better for your engine. Like a little bit more in it. All right, guys, we got the oil changed. So I started the car, let the engine oil get through the car. And I'm about to write my little thing so I won't lose track of when to change it. Change it again. I got these from Advanced Auto Parts where you can keep up with everything. All right, so I got my numbers. Next service mileage is 161,779. Full listen. Full synthetic, so I won't forget. Ba-boom. Take my old one down. All right, guys, so now, instead of changing my oil every 3,000 miles, I'm changing it every 5,000 miles. So now I done reset it in my car. I done reset the engine oil with the car. Says 100% right now. So now I'm gonna go check for leaks, make sure I got that oil plugged in there really good. Looks nice and shiny, no oil leaking. All right, so we got the oil changed. Thank you guys for your help. Now I want to change this because it has a leak in it. And your car engine doesn't run, it won't run like it should if you have an air leak or a vacuum leak. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. Here it is. Here it is outside of the package. On the other end, I think it's connected to the throttle body. Yep. All right, so I got it out finally. And I'm going to kind of match it up. Make sure I put it in the same way it came in. And that looked like it's it right there. So I'm going to take these clips, transfer them to there. And yeah, yeah. That's looking good, y'all. It looking good, y'all. Look, my glove tore. All right, let's see. Let's see if I can find the hole that this thing had. It was like a slit. There it is. Hold up. I don't know if you can see. Right there. Look at that. You know that took away from engine performance. Right there. You see that? That's bad. That's bad. Yep. That's why I replaced it. So let's start the car and see how it sounds. Sound good. Sound good, y'all. Tomorrow, I'm going to do that bearing. I ain't going to do it today because, like I said earlier, I don't know how long it's going to take me. And I ain't trying to do it in the dark. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we'll do that tomorrow. So, I got the oil change done and that air, I don't know what it's called. Let's take it for a ride. Let's go on a small ride. Cause I got stuff. I got to put up my tools, y'all. Ooh, so smooth and sexy. I definitely gonna change that bearing tomorrow. I don't like how wobbly that was, y'all. I don't like that at all. So that's what I'll be doing for sure. Okay. We're just gonna take it up the street and just feel it in the air. So guys, it drove perfect, really, really good, smooth, and I should be getting way better gas mileage, especially tomorrow when I change that bearing. A lot of people be like, "Oh, you change a bearing ain't gonna help your gas mileage." Yes, the hell it is. Because when you got components working against each other, that causes issues in other areas too. So, changing the oil, changing that air thing, I don't know, air hose, it hooks up to the throttle body and hooks up to the air box. I don't know what that's called. But anyhow, tomorrow, guys, the bearing. And I don't know when I'm going to get out and dash. Maybe, what's today? Today's Friday or Thursday? Well, anyways, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get out here and do the leaves because I got leaves everywhere, y'all. I have not gotten up any leaves, so I'm not sure if definitely tomorrow the bearing. The next day, I'm either gonna dash or get up these leaves, or vice versa. The following day, do that or the other. So we'll see. Love you guys. Tomorrow, bring your gloves. Bring the tools that you have. Bring your knee pads, okay? Because I need you with this bearing, all right? All right, now. Much love, guys. See y'all tomorrow with the bearing. Come with a coat and stuff now. Love you guys. See y'all tomorrow.